Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine. Okay, are you doing exercise daily? I have told you to do exercise for 10 minutes. Roll, roll your arms, rub your hands, shake your hands. You have to do this exercise daily for 10 minutes. And you have to do prayer also. Ma'am has taught you Gayatri Mantra. You will recite Gayatri Mantra. Close your eyes and then you will recite Gayatri Mantra. You will do prayer and exercise daily. And okay, tell me which day is today? Fast. You have to tell me fast. Yes, some children are telling today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay, now get ready for your English class. Okay, first we will revise letters. Which letter is this? V. V for van. What else is with V? V for vase. V for vegetables. Okay, now this is H. H for hen. H for house. H for hair. H for hands. S. S. S for shoes. S for sun. S for squirrel. S for sparrow. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. Utensils. And what are utensils? We eat our lunch, dinner in that plate, spoon. That is utensils. K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for king. Okay, now which letter is this? Z. Z for zebra. Zoo. Zip. Okay, now Y. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Yoga. I for ink. I for ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. I for igloo. L for lion. Lion roars like this. L for leaf. L for ladder. Q for queen. Q for quilt. We take quilt these days. It's so hot, cold these days. Quilt. N for nest. N for nose. N for nib. W for watch. W for well. T for tortoise. T for tree. T for telephone. P for parrot. P for peacock. P for pineapple. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. Now this everyone knows. C for cat. C for cow. C for camel. J for joker. J for jug. Okay, now ma'am will tell you how you have to write a stroke. Last week Nisha ma'am and Rekha ma'am has told you. Now I am going to tell you how you have to write a stroke. It will help you in your prep class writing. So first we will put a slanting like this in blue lines and like this. I am not putting dots this time. You have done with dots last time. So no dots. These are two blue lines. आपने नीचे वाली blue line से start करना है. Okay. यहाँ से you will go up here and then like this. Slanting line from this line and then sleeping line on this line. You have to write only in these two blue lines. Okay. Like slanting line and then sleeping line. This will help you in your prep class writing. Okay, ma'am is preparing you for your next class now. Slanting line and sleeping line. Slanting line, sleeping line. You will not go in the red line. You have to write only in these two blue lines. Slanting line and sleeping line. And parents, don't put dot this time. Children will write themselves from this bottom line to this top line. And like this. आपने ऊपर से नीचे नहीं आना है. You have to go from downwards to upwards. नीचे से ऊपर जाना है. Like this. ऊपर से नीचे आएंगे तो ये wrong हो जाएगा. Like this. From bottom to upwards. Slanting line, then sleeping line. Slanting, then sleeping. From here. You don't have to pick the pencil. You have to write it in the same flow. Like this. Slanting line, then sleeping line. Slanting, sleeping. Slanting, sleeping. Like this. Okay, children? Parents, you have understood? Nobody will write from here. You will write from downwards to upwards. Okay? And you will write one page in your orange notebook and send it to your ma'am. Bye.